Hello, my name is Apam Babulin Maitei. So basically, I'm a founder of the Sloblen Schools, the Sloblen College of Teacher Education. Right now, I'm working as a founder principal of the Sloblen College of Teacher Education. Basically, my qualification is BCom, MBA in Finance and Management, MA Education, PhD in Management. Being an entrepreneur as an academic entrepreneur, I have been working for last 20 years, and the CBSE has assigned me a lot of duties for granting appellation to the school in Manipur. And I have been inspected more than 20 schools in last 10, 12 years times. So like this, I have been working with associating with the students and the communities. Now I want to share my experiences with all communities. Therefore, I want to apply for this post.